Good morning! Today, cooking with Laura. We will prepare arepuelas. Ingredients are cheese, wheat flour, sugar, eggs, flour bread, salt, water. First, wheat flour is added. Second, grated cheese is added the same amount as wheat flour. Third, then add sugar to taste. Fourth, a small spoonful of salt. Fifth, 6 tablespoons of wheat flour. Sixth, and 3 tablespoons of water. Egg. Add the egg and continue mixing until it has a creamy consistency. Nine. In a previous pan, add oil and let it